We got the shake on a Chevy van door. Here's how to fix it. How are you gonna fix it?
So this pin usually has a plastic bushing on there. So you wrap a little bit of electrical tape around it. A 1/2-inch piece of Plex tubing from Home Depot or Lowe's. Costs $3 for less than or right at 5 feet of it. You cut it, put a slot in it, spread it out, and snap it over. Just like that.
On the G10, G20, G30 vans.
That's
You
the
think it'll
easiest
work
way to
on the
do it.
pickup trucks too?
Yeah, the C10s definitely works on them. So now that diameter matches the inside of the hook. And when you shut the door, there's no shake.
Well, open it back up. That's nice. That's a nice fix. What is that stuff called?
Plex tubing. It's for water lines. P-L-E-X.
It's just a plastic, right?
Yep. And if you want to do it a different way, you can take this bolt all the way out, but that's so much work, it's not worth it. For the price that cost, this whole piece right here was less than $3. Look how long that is.
Where's the model number on that? Who makes it?
Shark Bite. Shark Bite, 1/2-inch tubing.
Made in USA.
Yep.
This came from Home Depot or Lowe's?
This came from Lowe's. This is enough to probably do 30 cars.
Wow.